When you're working two jobs, trying to stretch your paycheck and watching prices go up every month, the last thing you want to hear is someone saying, start a business. And if you've been laid off, lost hours, or your EBT just got cut off because of this government shutdown, I know exactly how that feels. When your income stops but the bills don't, it's a different kind of stress. But listen, there's still a way out. Because right now, everyday people, folks with full-time jobs, single parents, and even people who just got laid off are making $500 to $1,000 online using nothing but their phone and a simple system. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, step by step. I didn't start with money, followers, or any special skills. I started when I lost everything, my job, my car, my house. Now, this is all during COVID. And I had 5 kids and a desktop computer, and I was working out of Burger King with their Wi-Fi. That's why this message hits home. Because when I tell you there's a way to make money online, even when everything around you feels like it's falling apart, I mean that. And what's wild is, people in my community are doing it right now, during this same shutdown. Anita made $310 in 5 days selling low-ticket digital products through System.io. Raymond earned his first System.io funnel builder certificate and now helps local businesses build funnels, making money off his new skill. William got his first 102 affiliate commission. Elias pulled in 250 leads in 3 days. George pivoted from freelancing and made his first digital product sale within days. And Edgar's, he generated 553 leads and made $1,210 in 1 month. A 137% increase in his business. These are real people who started at zero. Some had full-time jobs, others were parents, some didn't even know how to use Canva when they started, but they all did the same thing. They followed a plan that worked. Let me break down how they did it and how you can do it too. Step 1, they picked one product, not 10, not 5, just one product. Something simple that solved one problem. Step 2, they built a mini funnel using System.io, and I even gave them a template so you don't have to be tech savvy. System.io is a free tool that lets you build a landing page, collect emails, and take payments all in one place. And that's what I use for all my funnels too. Step 3, they started posting small pieces of value like tips, stories, relatable posts on platforms like Threads, YouTube, or Facebook. That content didn't just get likes, it got leads. And those leads turned into sales. When you do this the right way, $17 to $47 products can easily add up to $500 to $1,000 months, even with a tiny audience. And if you're wondering how to actually start this the right way, that's what my 90 days to 5K sprint is for. I built it to give you a proven roadmap from your first idea to your first funnel, to your first $500, $1,000, and beyond. You're going to get the templates, traffic plan, accountability, and step-by-step system that my students use. And if you complete everything and don't make a sale, I'll refund you. You can even join with the 4 payment plan so there's no excuses. Here's the thing. If this shutdown taught us anything, it's that we can't rely on one source of income. Your job isn't security anymore. Skills are. You've got to learn how to create income on demand, and digital products are the fastest way I know to do that, even if you're starting from scratch. Because once you understand how to sell your knowledge online, you'll never fear losing a paycheck again. In the next video, I'm going to help you figure out exactly what to sell, even if you think you have no skills or ideas. I'm going to walk you through my Skill Finder framework, the same one that helped my students go from I don't know what to sell to launching profitable digital products. So, click right here to watch the next video popping up on your screen, and let's start building your first digital product together. Stay blessed.